In 2022, Toyota killed the Avalon. No warning, no farewell tour, just discontinued. Gone. Replaced by the Crown crossover because Toyota said the full-size sedan market was dying. But here's the question nobody stopped to ask. What if they were wrong? What if the Avalon came back, not as the quiet, comfortable family car it used to be, but something completely unexpected, something with a V6, a carbon fiber diffuser, red Brembo brakes, and a design that makes every luxury sedan in its segment look ordinary? This is what a 2026 Toyota Avalon could look like, and it is stunning. Front first. That face is aggressive, boldly, unapologetically aggressive. That grille, a massive geometric mesh pattern, deep black, almost crystalline from certain angles. Wide enough to fill the entire front fascia. And inside it, the Toyota badge sitting front and center, not hidden, not small, proud. The headlights flank the grille on each side, angular, sharp, with a clean L-shaped LED signature, slim daytime running lights running horizontal across the top, carbon fiber front splitter at the very bottom, hugging the ground. And then the color, that mint green, that turquoise, that Tiffany blue, call it what you want, but it is one of the most distinctive, most striking colors you can put on a full-size luxury sedan, and it works perfectly against that dark black grille. You will notice this car. From above, the proportions are beautiful from this angle. A long front hood, a clean glass panoramic roof section, 4 doors flowing into a fastback trunk, long, wide, low, the kind of proportions that used to be called American muscle luxury, and this Avalon wears them better than any Avalon before it. Those multi-spoke wheels, silver with thin spokes radiating out, Toyota badge in the center cap, red brake calipers visible behind the spokes, red on a mint green car. It works. It absolutely works.
The side. This is where the design story really comes together. One clean body line rises from the front wheel arch all the way to the rear taillight, a gentle, confident curve. No unnecessary creases, no fussy styling details, just long, smooth, purposeful sheet metal. The greenhouse, the glass area, gets progressively smaller toward the rear, creating that fastback silhouette. Not a hatchback, not a coupe, but almost a 4-door fastback. The kind of shape that used to cost $60,000 or more from European brands. Purple accent strip running along the window line. A subtle two-tone detail at the very top of the glass. From the side, it reads as a color break between that mint green body and the blacked-out roof. It is a detail that looks almost accidental, but is clearly intentional. Side skirts running the full length, low ground clearance. This car sits down, planted, ready. The rear. Full-width LED taillight bar, running horizontally all the way across the trunk lid. Deep red glow. And inside those lights, a sharp triangular arrow pattern pointing outward on each side. Toyota badge centered above the license plate. Clean trunk surface with a subtle lip spoiler. And then, the bottom. A full carbon fiber rear diffuser, wide, aggressive, multiple fins cutting through the carbon weave. And on each side, dual exhaust tips, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. Quad exhaust on a Toyota Avalon. That is not what anyone expected. That is exactly what makes this concept so compelling. From the 3/4 rear angle, those rear haunches, wide, muscular. This is a full-size sedan that looks like it has something to say from every angle. The inside. Step in, the cabin is dark, premium, and modern. Flat-bottom steering wheel, Toyota badge front and center. A digital instrument cluster showing speed and energy flow in that deep blue that Toyota uses in their hybrid vehicles. And in the center, a large landscape orientation touchscreen. 12.3 inches, showing Apple CarPlay in sharp, clean resolution. Wireless, no cables. The dashboard flows in a single horizontal sweep from left door to right door. No clutter, no unnecessary buttons. The HVAC controls sit as a slim panel just below the screen. Physical buttons for the things you need to adjust without looking. Toyota got that right. Teal ambient light strip running underneath the dashboard, matching the exterior color. Blue footwell lighting casting a cool glow on the floor. Premium black leather seats with contrast stitching. Panoramic glass roof letting light down from above. The rear seat? Wide. 3 full adults. Flat floor, no transmission tonal hump. Deep blue ambient lighting strip along the rear door panels. AC vents in the back of the center console. Legroom that makes long-distance passengers actually comfortable. This is a full-size luxury sedan. It should feel like this. What would be under the hood? If Toyota brought this back, the engine lineup from the final generation Avalon makes the strongest case. The 3.5-liter V6, 301 horsepower, mated to an 8-speed automatic. Smooth, powerful, that sound through those quad exhausts, oh, that would be something. Or the Avalon Hybrid, a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder paired with 2 electric motors, 215 combined horsepower, and up to 44 miles per gallon on the highway. Quiet, efficient, completely contrary to that carbon diffuser in those red Brembos. And somehow, that contradiction is exactly what makes it interesting. Pricing? The last Avalon started around $36,000 and topped out near $43,000. A 2026 revival with these updates would likely start in the $38,000 to $45,000 range, depending on trim. Still significantly less than a Lexus ES, still genuinely competitive with the Nissan Maxima, the Kia K5, and the Genesis G80. Here's the thing about the Toyota Avalon. People who own them loved them. Loved the space, loved the smoothness, loved the fact that you got near luxury refinement at a non-luxury price. The Avalon didn't disappear because it was bad, it disappeared because Toyota decided SUVs were the future. And maybe they were right, but looking at this design, this mint green, this carbon fiber, these red Brembos, that massive geometric grille, this fastback roofline, maybe it's time to think again.